Have you ever wondered how much it really costs to make a pot of delicious soup? Come along with me to the market as I buy the ingredients I need and break down the actual cost of making soup from scratch. From fresh vegetables and spices to proteins and seasoning, I will show you everything that goes into it and how much each item costs. Hey, this is Dekas and you're welcome to another market vlog. I just have one customer in Mayo Market. I get all my soup ingredients. So come along with me, guys. Let's go and find out from the horse's mouth how much they are actually selling those soup things. So I'm heading to my customer's place. That's the only place I buy the soup thing. In case you're watching this video and you're not understanding what we're saying in the background, don't worry, I've got you covered because I'll be writing what I bought each ingredients and the exact amount I bought the ingredients. Like I told you before, this is Mayo Market in Enugu State. Enugu State, the first language here is Igbo language. So when you are in that open market, you speak Igbo.
About 800, 700, 1,000, 1,000, 1,500,
1,500. Can we run the 1,000? Like, okay, when do 1,004.
Okay.
Bring it here because oh no, I be in any market.
Okay, 605. Then under 2,000.
I'm not some not there, may your book is not be image it.
Okay. I wish Nankabo 2,000.
2,000.
Then this one 1,000.
1,500.
Okay, 1,500, 1,000.
Let me go near Kedias.
Can we ring 2,000? 2,000. Okay, 2,000. I'm going to take this for my soup, 2,000 for my Onugbo soup. Fish. Yeah, my emperor fish. 1,000. My way of ma. My another one 1,000. That is making it 2,000. I want to buy cocoyam now. What is share cocoyam? So go think 1,000. Snail now no.
It's so tight. You're going to man.
Okay, 2,000. Let's go to me. What can get 1,000? Can go. Come square me of now.
All super delicious. Oh yeah, you listen.
Okay, 1,000 out there. But me 2,000. Buy 2,000. It's ogiri, original ogiri.
Yeah, it's good.
Idem ogiri. How much? 1,000. Yeah.
You can't kill me.
You don't get 1,000. Can't go.
Yeah, why?
That 1,000. Abugumo. Yeah, can get 500 in Goreva. Mezo.
Look at she, EIJ, 500.
Hey, what's up, you got him? So you're going to get 500. Over 1,500. Okay. 1,005. 2,000.
2,000.
2,000. 75. 2,000. 95.
That's a good 4,000.
Then this thing. 13,500. So 13,500, and I'm not done with what I want to buy. I still need echo, that is the palm fruit, and scent leaves and vegetables. Yes.
With meat.
Meat, dried meat. I'm going to be paying with my card. We go kita. Oh, we just survive now.
Yeah, you can see. Everyone can see me.
I'm heading to another place to buy all the things my customer does not have, and I'm going to buy my ofaku things. That's the palm fruit stew. That's giving half.
Okay,
sorry.
Sorry,
that's giving half. Can she have? Sorry, when you. That's for me. So talk is hello.
I don't want to go do waterproof.
Oh, mama can go. Mama, mommy, where was Saint leave today? Hi. Hi, mom, can you move? I cover that can she not? She must look at not a fuketa. Oh, no, Maka. Abu Abonimo, half me more than him. Oh, she could be any good about Mba, who come magic because I have no more. I'm over the nail. Let's go. What is a room? I don't know if that's a visit. Yeah, market vlog. Yeah. No problem. What is it? She wasn't 500. I got the one there. May I 1,000? Continue. To 200, okay? For 1,000. Just too much. I got so input. Thank you for watching this vlog. Please do check my channel for other amazing vlogs and also food recipe. This was the soup I made with my ingredients, Onugbo soup. I also have the recipe on my channel. Do well to check it out, and please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. Bye. See you on the other video.